Ebusia for me mama call about the other empaso Jumedi a love bed. Na me amedi Jumedi ebro sumedi ane akosi agina wotumi original sexy and then many akuku dem nipa na atna so wa say ye ba betwetwe komo apensem mo ene ye Jumedi ye ba behwe empna twe a relationship wa wo hwe me empna twe atechwe ene sen iti mensa akamya kasa me counselor otumfuo eba my name is Papa, more about
yeah,
you be a bokaje. On my effect. I am ah. No, dear, Cassa Edison.
Oh, okay. Maybe I said if you be at yes, so we are so tuned for but only young couple was yes, only to me. And you know, oh, Pierre, what yes, as to be a man. And I said, what is to be a young couple never. And the master would tune for but if you need be much more inside the year.
Iti papa na yeda se wa utime beka yesa amana se then odon pasu be be say you hwe empatry a relationship de bia na yum say empatry say e koso na we ni na oni ne empatry ha say yes e mu si eye e mu si enye iti ene no cheche empatry kra no asetre and same
medical ka da bi be na mesaka asese o empatry e wo Bible. But at least of food names and country in our Bible. But and never been 3 months 5 years to same country in our Bible. Yes, a relationship. And name my relationship is a process of finding a wife. And as I saw your bar, it's a process of identifying a husband. Because in the Bible, that's what as I said, women, it is very difficult for a woman to find a husband. But it is easy for a woman to identify a husband. But it takes a man to find a wife. Empatry your body. Empatry your Bible. And I started from empatry. Now you are away, you are really need. I didn't make us. Man, also your Bible more. I don't know, used to be the general manager to come as more. Yanko Pon is a shower, now on the wall. So what is it? O confit as na oba wa ye na e wo kwa wo fa so wa we e unique as ye ntimi go back to that kwan so a ya ba bi ntimi ye na ntimi ye because as I so ba ye nya mi gina 2 words so e de bo awa we but the nya no e ye gina so e kwa wa ye yeah.
Na baby na so no na twene ba Kristo so mu a utumi so mu twene na kakra na chese na twene say
the first thing that I would tell anybody or by any man will say the first thing that you need to do is you need to identify who you are first.
Who you are.
If you don't know who you are,
sign na mete
unnimu ho a
sign na what
mene why
okay
why who am I so when you identify who it is difficult for you to identify. Listen to this word, your suitable helper. Because if you don't know who you are, how can you identify somebody like you? I hope you get it now. Our being correct, Christopher Warrior. Means soon I'm America.
Christopher Warrior,
and yet, I say, if you are a former church, Christopher Warrior. If you are a former, we need to move Christopher Warrior. If you are a former, as soon as we are seeing our being is so boring. Christopher Warrior. I didn't hear. May Kabi Mama say, I saw for Bibrema, I don't think I will be like Christopher Warrior because they believe for some connection and yet. I was so timid. Now, the American and our Bible did the see Bible. So what I say, if you are saying young couple airport and you until you are tired, or say, and yes, very man could get no more than yes, so waffle. The fellow can get a couple of months or say suitable helper. But money, Manante consoling me, the suit helper, they will feel suitable.
Identify a woman, any identify a wife in a woman. Put me actually in because where woman says, I say, oh, baby, I help. But then you need to identify a wife. It's a process by now, say, Bema, no film will say, as soon as see a wife and identify my wife.
I want every man to know, say, nyame de ba asase so to accomplish a purpose or a vision. And your vision and identify with. And to me, I'm a tea, I say, who am I? So what I say, I got to identify myself not long ago. Also, everybody wants to be in the ministry. Also, oh, prophet, or shall come, I want to be a prophet. And if she need money, a copy. But so what's not your own? That's all I say. So, Ubundu the interior, I made all bars as so. Until I got to know, say, God brought me to this earth to solve what? Problem. Now, problem there. Later on, I may identify as a relationship and marriage problem. So, when I went to my mother, now I catch and say, I am a say, me who will be our. Now I'm in Koya and I'm a rider. I'm a rap. Me who will be relationship in Koya and I'm a rider. When I make catch and say, who shall say, and now we're there. Oh, yeah. Now you're at a compound house. Yes, Mamma, make a compound house. But what is will be crying in Kuno? Them no more. Meko Denmark could boom, say, I didn't know more. I didn't know your sisters, you know. My person will be at as I said, who you are, a started from more fast. To be more up with when I'm one more, or you can do trouble so or your car. So what I say, I will free me. Actually, who say judges no more, name for us, who say judges. Every parent must be able to know, say, the power say, Onina say no better, obey. And that, you know, is the foundation of parenting. Yeah. The person will be at the foundation of parenting is to identify who your child is. Because Bible says, should have a on fast Onina one day, when free. Train up a child the way he should go, not the way you want the child to go. The way the child is going. So the bear Onina one day, so what I say. When we come to the question, relationship or not, is a process of identifying what? A husband or what? A wife. So what I said. And you know, who is then is a husband.
And you know, Ian said, how can you identify a husband? So who you are? How do you identify?
Okay. In the Bible, also, medical can yanko po you, very man in film paddy, or the ball, or bar. One can swat their boy. Nimu, Yantia said, very man and a mile or bar the year, and in yanko. May custom with him will be unusual to Yami ye and as it could ever be.
It's not possible.
And yet possible. Me son Diana at the flower, catch us on the flower and put to fee or what. Me son Diana, ya pay home, catch us some soap one. Would you fool be seen as Yami yet see catch us some soap one. In the beginning, Yami and Fa Adam and Eve and Ma Adam said him. It was Adam who identified the suitability and no man here say, or man into who is a wife. But helper here, every woman on this earth is a helper.
Every woman is a helper.
Every woman on this earth is a helper.
Okay.
Mammy, tell about the person as a fool in Antias. Someone can say, you who see a woman, or you who see a wife, or say, he who finds a wife. Madam, the word find in a sense. Thank you. Thank you. And you say, you are looking for something. But when I meet you, I can't tell you say you are a wife. Monsieur woman. I was so studying you to identify that suitability. No, it takes a man only. What you identify that suitability in a woman for that woman to become a wife. And yes, I don't want it. And yes, you also for your wife. As a man, I've been able to identify, say, Yami Bomi, someone maybe this for. We may married counselor. We may solve our problem, yes, say, our reason. And to do a better thing, come person obey, you know, or permassem, Nenichim, because of and some American, or permassem, Nenichim, and I say, because of Adia Mayana, and I say, what I am doing, she can see herself doing what I am doing. The Bible is we in film here, one that's what the boy, or see what the boy here, or bad. I want to buy the China very many. Timmy about very man, and Nixie, yellow with no bar. Yanko in the Bible, see a copadia, most a TP Yanko boy in Pian, or the China, Nipalin very many, and a very many to deal, because very many to deal. Or we or Bana, or the China, or see America, or very much to validity. But very many tea or finding something within the Yamina training. Because you know, this one is different from the others. This is now bone of my bone, flesh of my flesh. She shall be called what? Woman, because she came out from the man. And by the same thing identify, say, I didn't need honor if you know the PA. Because he saw some qualities within the woman. He saw some animal physical features, the enemy as it would be. Then would he identify, say, this is from me. She shall be called what? Woman. And then God said, for this reason, the man will leave the mother and the father and united to his what? Wife. Tiemie power. Nyame yimfe pade one far more wife. What the body woman. Until the man identified that woman to be bone of his bone, flesh of his flesh, and then God said, for this reason. It is quite bad that I between 4 bars unless what he identified certain qualities here say, this woman suits me.
Knowledge is power. Knowledge is power. India every pine, every country and as our room. And maybe you may be ever in so many Akusia Jenna, which may be original sex. Now, maybe two for and I just say, the veteran of my ICT. Send the person social, Macron.